Okay, so how do we insert the React code into MakeHtml? We already know that the React buttons will lead us to the MakeHtml page. We've already done that in previous assignments. Let's review how they work. The MakeHtml button is clicked. Code found in public JavaScript's control.js causes MakeHtml to fire. In particular, here's that code. Okay, let's go look. Let's open up control.js. And here was the old way that MakeHtml was initialized when we were using jQuery. And here's the new way that we have for our React buttons with the Material UI. So the question becomes, where is MakeHtml init? We can see that both methods call MakeHtml init. Clearly this is the place where MakeHtml is loaded, but where does it come from? It's a little hard for you to know this right off the bat, but up here, here's MakeHtml, and this has to do with require.js. And require.js is configured back here in public JavaScript's main.js. And if you look there, you will find this line of code, which says that MakeHtml object is located in JavaScript's MakeHtml. So let's go to JavaScript's MakeHtml, and we'll look for an init method. And if you scroll up and down, it's not hard to find. Here is the code that loads our MakeHtml. In particular, it calls back to the server side to the MakeHtml root, which will load the HTML page for our code, for our form. Here it is in particular. A response.render loads the MakeHtml file, and MakeHtml is a pug file, which is defined here. And here's what we see on that page, right? The checkbox, the button group, these buttons down here to walk, and so on. All this stuff is here. And that's all I wanted to say about this. So now you know enough to get started. In particular, here's the code we're about to insert in the next step, and here's where we call.